Hello, I'm going to show you how to solve an equation like this one, square root equation, using this calculator. We press on the square root key, this key, okay, so we get the square root, and then we enter the expression 9y plus 19. I enter it as 9x plus 19, so 9, and then for the variable, I press alpha and my variable x. Okay, so I have 9x plus 19, so I press plus 19. That's it. You need to move your cursor out, your pointer, outside the square root. Otherwise, whatever you write, it goes inside the square root. Now, minus. So, that's my minus. And then another square root. So, this is my other square root. And I type 6y minus 5. I use 6 alpha x minus 5. Okay, that's my expression there. As soon as I enter my expression, I should enter minus 3 as well. So I move the cursor out, so it's out as you can see, and then minus 3. Okay, the calculator is set up. Now I'm going to calculate this expression for the first value of x in the domain, which is 5 over x. So I'm going to enter 5 over 6. So I said 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 equals, and I get my answer. I can get an approximation of this exact value by pressing on this key, ST. Okay, so I get 2.14. That means the expression is positive for the value, for the first value in the domain, which is 2.14. Now, we use the key solve, okay? And we know that our solution should be more than the value 5 over 6. Okay, so my variable should be more than 5 over 6, okay? So what do? I press on shift and then solve. This key is for solve. So I press on this key. Calculator asks for value of x. Calculator is using a method, I think it's called Newton method, to give an approximation of the solution. So you try to guess what is your solution. Okay, so let's say I guess my solution is 4. Just guess solution. So it's 4, then equals. Now the calculator is solving. Here we are. We got the solution. X equals 5. Okay, and the range for the solution is 0, which is exactly my solution. So my solution is x equals 5. If I want to find another solution, I expect this to have 2 solutions. Okay, because if I solve the equation and I move the square root with the square 6x minus 5 to the second side, I square both sides, I get a kind of quadratic equation. So I guess another solution. So I press shift solve. It has to be something more than 5, my solution. So if I guess, let's say 7, okay. So I pressed 7 here just to guess the next solution. It should be something close to 7. Equals, and I wait. Here we are. I get my second solution, 9. If you don't get 9, you're gonna get 5 again. So make sure you change your guess. It could be 7, could be 8. Just go beyond 5. Okay, keep guessing until you get your second solution. I know that I'm done. If I try more, I'm not gonna get any more solution. Let's try solve like this, and I give another value more than 9. Okay, let's say I put 10. In this case, the calculator is going to give me a solution close to 10, which is actually 9 again. So if you try to guess 10, you get 9. If you try to guess something less than 9, you get 9. Let's say I try to guess another value. Shift solve, and I put, for example, 12. Okay, here, enter 12. Okay, and I press equal, and I see what happens. Still I get the same solution. These are the 2 solutions for this calculator. Calculator cannot give you the exact solutions, but you have to be smart to use this this key, this feature, shift solve. It's by guessing. You should already know how many solutions you should have. As soon as you get your solutions, you stop. Combining your calculator skills with GeoGebra graphing skills or any graphing tool, you get this graph here. If you graph the function, as you can see, this is your graph with the domain. And this is the x-intercept, which is the 0 or the root x-intercept. It's around 5. That's why you can get your guess for the solution from the graph. Anything around 5, use it in your calculator, you get your 5. The other root, as you can see in the graph, it shows another root as the graph changes the position again. Here, the other root, by zooming, it's around 9. Okay, so you're going to substitute any value around 9 in your calculator to guess your solution and you get your 9. After that, the graph doesn't show any x-intercept. It keeps increasing forever. Okay, forever keeps increasing. That's it. 2 solutions. Thank you for watching and see you again.